How to set a custom Samsung Internet homepage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the Samsung Internet app. Then tap on the menu button. Next, tap on settings. And in settings, we go down and tap on home page. Then select custom page. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, put in the web address. So say idjungles.com. Then tap on saved. And then tap on the back key to go back to your browse page. In here, when you tap on the home button, that will go to my custom page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.